In this lesson, we will learn about pseudo-classes. Pseudo-classes are used to style an element differently when users take a particular action. They work very similar to classes. Once again, we will go back to our test.html file to learn about pseudo-classes. I have added a paragraph and an ordered list in the body of test file. The output currently looks like this. What you see is we have a link and an ordered list. Currently, the anchor text has default color. What if I want to give different color to anchor text? How can I give different color to anchor text when mouse hovers over it? What if I want to give different color to anchor text if it is visited previously? We can achieve all that using pseudo classes. I will use internal styling in this example. Let me add style tag within the head tag. Before we define pseudo classes, let us learn its syntax. It looks something like this. You start with selector followed by colon, then pseudo class's name. Within curly braces you define pseudo class property and its value. In the style container, I have defined style for some of the actions that users can perform over anchor text. I will use anchor text or a tag selector to define pseudo class property for the anchor text. Let me explain what this code is about. Link pseudo class is used to define color of the anchor text when the link is not visited. We are assigning its value as red. Visited pseudo class is used to assign color of anchor text when link is visited. We are assigning green color for visited link. Hover pseudo class is used to assign color of anchor text when you hover mouse over the link. We are using blue color. Active pseudo class is used to assign color of anchor text when you click on the link and hold it. Let us now see the output. You would see that color of the anchor text is not default color but red. When I hover mouse over it, the color changes to blue. When I click and hold the mouse, the color becomes yellow. Let me visit the link now. You would see that color of the link has become green as we have already visited it. The hover pseudo class is very useful when dealing with tables. You can use it to define background or text color of the table rows when someone hovers over it. It can also be used for list items. Let me use it for the list that we have used in this example. Let me style background color of even child item of the list as yellow and that of odd as gray. I will use nhchild pseudo tag for list selector to define background color for it. This is how I will do it. I am also defining hover pseudo class for list selector. So for my list, every even item of the list will have yellow background color and every odd item of the list will have gray background color. Note that you should use hex color code to define color property. We are using color name as it becomes easier to explain. That's it in this lesson. Please go through helper text section to know more about pseudo classes.